So this is the tutorial how to turn on and turn off screen on Infinix Smart 9 without the power button like this. Okay, let's get started. Follow the step and don't skip anything. And in the first step we need to enable this future accessibility button to turn off the screen like this. And the step you just go to the setting menu, and then you can tap on special function, tap on accessibility, and you can scroll and tap on accessibility menu, and then you can enable this feature. You can tap on allow and got it, and you can tap on it to setting the position, tap more option, and tap on location. So in the before is the future is floating on the screen like this. You can tap on location and setting into the navigation bar, and the feature will be moved here like this. And to wake up the screen without power button, you can using this feature. You can enable the fingerprint sensor to wake up the screen without pressing the power button, but just only touch it like this. You can enable this feature on the setting, and then you can tap on password and security, and you can enable this fingerprint like this. You can choose your any finger. Okay, just like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.